Welcome back, truck and riders. Today we are going to see the installation of our minimalist saddle bag. So this minimalist bag is exclusively designed for Himalayan 450, and this is the overall size of the bag. It's a cute little bag, and it has got adjustable capacity. So this is how the bag construction. So you have some small mesh panel here to store things, and then you have a water bottle compartment here, plus there is an external small pouch here. It's a roll down type closure. So that means this has got adjustable capacity. So this is the overall height of the thing, but you need to roll it down minimum 3 times to make it waterproof. So this is the maximum capacity it can hold, one side. So then you lock it. Now since it is not fully stuffed, I'm going to roll down further to make it more tight. If you have more luggage, you can increase the height and adjust the capacity. So this is how the bag is closed, and this side velcro straps will help it to close properly, both the sides. So that's it. So along with this minimalist saddle bag, you will also get this V-shaped saddle stay. This will come with 2 long size bolts. We will provide the saddle stay for both sides. So it comes as a pair with 4 bolts, 2 here, 2 on the other side. So this is the velcro straps connecting the bag. You first remove it, make it 2 pieces. This is 1 piece, one side, and this is the other side. So let's see how it is going to be fixed. So this pouch, which is having a reflective patch, will face the back side. So that means this is the right hand side of the motorcycle. This will be on the right hand side, and this will be on this left hand side. So if you look at closely, you can see a sleeve here on the back side of the bag. This is what is going to hold it tight to the saddle stay. Like this, you slide it inside. So this will be the portion. So what you need to do is, I'll show you 2 small velcro straps are here on both the sides. You just open it first. So to keep the bag in position, first you just slide it through and then hold it with this particular velcro strap. So like this, one side you attach to the pipe like this. So you can slide it in, and this other corner also you will do the same thing. See, now the bag is secured on this 2 velcro strap one side. So beauty of the system is, for using the left side, you can use one bag as it is without attaching the right side one. This will hold because we have 2 velcro straps on both the corner, and this will hold like this. But for going on a tour and all, you normally carry both the bags. So that's why when you need both the sides to be covered, we need to use this long velcro straps on the other side. So again, as we have seen, the same sleeve, just slide it so that V-shaped saddle stay, and you will get this long one here. You can just bring it here. The opposite side bag, there's a big buckle. So you just slide it through that, and then tighten it and just stick it like this. So one is there. The same way, the other big strap also you have to just take it through the other side. See, like this. And this is also tight. Now it is fully secured, this side and this side. Now initially we have put 2 corner straps on the other side. Like that, this side also have a corner strap. So what you can do is, you can just, this is for additional security. Even without this, it will hold. It's a big size velcro strap. So not really needed, but for additional security, you just, tighten this corner straps also. Take it through the side pipe. So it's coming like this. Then through that this thing, you just push it and stick the velcro patch. Again, the other corner also we have the same thing. We just open the velcro strap here, this side, and same, take it through the, I don't know, you'll be able to see properly because my top case base plate is here. I hope you'll be able to see it properly. So this other velcro straps also, you just tighten it. So once these 2 corner velcro straps are tightened, probably you can adjust the middle one once again. Just see whether it is fully tight. Maybe a little loose means you have to just tighten it. That's how it is fixed. Now it is fully secured. So as I explained earlier, let us see once again the mechanism of this bag. This is how it is. Once it's installing, it's easy to open. You can just open the flap and open this adjustable roll down type closure. Look at here, this is a waterproof liner. So this is an internal waterproof liner. It's easy to attach, and easy to take out fully for cleaning and all. This has got one level of protection, rain protection internally, and the protection does not end here. We have given one more mug cover, same material, waterproof material. So in addition to the internal waterproof lining, it comes with this external rain cover to avoid your muck and all. So this also you can attach easily, just like this. So this will help you out. So on a rainy day, we have a dual protection, internal waterproof lining plus external mug cover. So this will give you a nice protection for your minimalist saddle bag. So whatever you do, your off-roading or on-road ride, see how secure it is. You can see the huge clearance between the wheel and the bag because of the V-shape, the saddle stay. This is holding it. It won't come to the wheel. Whatever you do, it won't come to the wheel. So unlike many other bulky saddle stay, for this minimalist you don't need a big saddle stay. So it's easy to manage the bag, and when the bag is not used, as you seen earlier, the V-shape saddle stay will look very sleek. It will look as if part of the bike, not like other saddle stays. It won't be projecting outside. So this is how the look and feel of the minimalist saddle bag after installing on the motorcycle. Hope this minimalist video was clear to you. If any queries or doubt, please comment and get in touch with us. We will be happy to help you out. Let's meet again with another interesting product next time. Thank you. Thank you for watching.